Hello. Ta, anyị ga-amụ Igbo verbs. Igbo verbs. We'll be learning Igbo verbs today. So let's dive in. Bia. Bia. Bia is a popular verb in Igbo that means come. Bia. Bia. It means come. Bia. Bia means come. The past tense is biara. Biara. So you can say obiara eba. Obiara eba. Obiara eba means he or she came here. He or she came here. Obiara eba. Rie. Rie means eat. Eat. The past tense is riri. Riri. Riri means eat. So we can say nnam na-eri. Nnam na-eri. Nnam na-eri. My father is eating. The word na in Igbo means is. Is. So it changes a past tense verb or a present tense verb to present continuous. Na-eri is eating. Na-eri is eating. So nnam na-eri. Nri in Igbo means food. So nnam na-eri, my father is eating food or my father is eating. Nri in Igbo means food. Mgbakwuya. Bo. Bo. Bo in Igbo potara call. Call. Past tense is poro. Poro. Poro means called. So you can say ona bom. Ona bom. He or she is calling me. Ona bom. Ona bom. You can also say okporo aham. Okporo aham. He or she called my name. Or okporo afam. Some dialects call it afam. Afam is my name. Aham is also my name. So okporo aham or okporo afam. He or she called my name. Ga. Ga. Ga or J. Ga means go. Ga means go. Some dialects also say J. J. So we have gara. Gara is the past tense of ga. And ga means go. 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 Gara means went. J also means go. Jere. Went. So we can say onaga ulo akwụkwọ. Onaga ulo akwụkwọ. Onaga ulo akwụkwọ means he is going to school. Onaga ulo akwụkwọ, he is going to school. Ulo in Igbo means house. Akwụkwọ means book. So ulo akwụkwọ means school. Or ojere afia. Ojere afia. Ojere afia. Ojere afia means he went or she went to the market. Some dialects say ojere ahia. Ahia is the standard dialect. Ojere ahia. Ojere ahia. Ojere ahia means he or she went to the market. So the verb ga or j means go. The past tense is gara or jere. De. De. De means right. Right. Okay, right. Past tense is dere. 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 Or dere. Dere means root. Some dialects use delo. 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 Okay? You can say odere or onede akwụkwọ. Onede akwụkwọ. Onede akwụkwọ means he or she is writing a book. Akwụkwọ in Igbo means book. Onede akwụkwọ. Onede akwụkwọ. He is writing a book. Onede aha ya. Onede aha ya. He or she is writing his or her name. Onede aha ya. Onede aha ya. He or she is writing his or her name. Okay, ba. Ba. Ba means run. 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 Bara is the past tense. Ran. Ba. Run. Bara. Run. So we can say ha na-agba ọsọ. Ha na-agba ọsọ. Ha means they. na-agba are running. Also means run. So we say ha na-agba ọsọ. Ha na-agba ọsọ. Ha na-agba ọsọ means they are running. Ha na-agba ọsọ. Ngwa kwuo ya.